So hi friends, welcome to another unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing an Apple Watch. I already have a smart band. This is not a smartwatch. This is Huawei Band 6. First in 2014 when Apple Watch came out, I was really excited. I always wanted to buy it, but the prices were really high. And despite using iPad for quite a while, it's only very later, like I've been using iPad since 2012, and only in 2017 I bought my first iPhone, and then this year I bought my first Mac, and again in this year I am buying my first Apple Watch. And with this, the ecosystem is done. So this is the package that I received. I'm quite excited. Let's see what's there. So I guess this is where the watch is, and this is the band of the watch. This is the most costliest watch I'll ever be wearing. This is actually not that pricey. The EMI costs around 1500 per month, and I didn't feel that pricey. In comparison to other software subscriptions I pay, this is not that big of a deal. Nobody actually can't compete with Apple, especially the unboxing experience. It's really awesome. And in comparison to all the things that I've unboxed, the AirPods, MacBook, iPad, I feel this is the best unboxing experience. Like, I really enjoyed unboxing this. So this is the charging dock. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't give us the adapter, which is very bad. But Apple is Apple. And as I thought, this is a USB-C. This is a USB-C charging dock, which means we will have to use a USB-C adapter, which is Apple's way to push you to buy their 18 watts adapter. And finally, the beauty, the darling, the watch. The experience. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Beautiful it is. This is Apple Watch SE2. I know that it doesn't have all the features which Watch 8 offers or Ultra has, but the reason I went with SE is I'm already using a smart band, and the features I use the most: sleep tracking, calorie tracking, heart rate monitoring, and SE has all those important features. These are the important features to have in a watch, and SE has all these features. So for me, this is enough. And even when I went through YouTube, for beginners, if you are someone who is just buying an Apple Watch, SE was the watch that was mostly recommended, SE2. Okay, it's giving me a low charging indication, so it wants me to connect a charger to continue. So I'm now connecting the watch to my phone. I have to scan, and yeah, my Apple Watch is paired. I've just entered my Apple ID and it's loading, so it might take few minutes. the entire circle should finish. We'll come back. I got a notification from Apple saying that it might take some while. You can continue using your phone, and once it gets finished, once it gets finished, we'll send you an alert. We'll watch some YouTube videos, and once it's done, we'll come back. Okay, the setup is done. So I'm removing the watch that served my purpose for the past 1 year, and it has my mother's photo on it. I'll keep the same photo as my wallpaper. I'll give this watch to my dad. He's using my mother's smartwatch. I'll save. Maybe I'll not give this to my dad. Maybe he should use my mother's smartwatch. I'll keep this aside, but if he wants, this will go there. And yeah. Isn't this beautiful? With my mom on it. Okay, coming to recommendation, and if you are someone who is planning to buy for an Apple Watch, this is the watch you should be looking out for. The reason, again, this is not really cheap. This is as expensive as a watch can get, but the other options Apple offers is much more expensive, unless until you're very sure that you'll be using those extra features that Watch 8 gives or Ultra gives. I don't think that you need to go and opt for those watches, because all the watches have the same processor, which means the same speed carries on all watches, unless until you are someone who craves for that always on display. You need ECG and SpO2 levels. This should work. My band has all those features, but I've never used them constantly. Rarely, in rare occasions, I've used blood oxygen level monitoring, and ECG, of course, not that frequent. It's not just only about the health apps that we buy Apple Watch for. There are some other cool stuff we could do as well. It's the wrist size version of our iPhone. After my review, I'll definitely give you a consolidated idea as to whether this is a good watch or not. That's all for this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. It will really help the video to reach more people. And consider subscribing to the channel if you found this video interesting. And do follow the channel for more videos related to tech, self-help and productivity. And this is D.S.S.R.Anirudh signing off. I'll see you again next week.